Well, there it is. My 1969 Camaro. Just bought it in Battle Creek, Michigan on Craigslist. Be doing restoration on it, and well, here's what I got so far. Not too much underneath the hood. Original 4-speed car, Daytona yellow. Vinyl top car. Came with the turbo 350 trans, I believe. Pile of parts and so much, not too much floor at all. As you can see, a bunch of snow, so never really got a chance to work on it last summer, so hope to get on this project by tomorrow. Start pulling all the wiring harness out and fenders and all that to get to the frame, because I got a little bit of work there, but yeah, should be fun. Hope y'all enjoy this, and I'll have another update soon. Thanks.